right up front that the response of the administration versus the size of the crisis and the dimension of this crisis' potential harm to Americans is totally inadequate. This is a big-time American problem. Now, we can keep putting it off. We'll have a new president. We'll do little or nothing. But the truth of the matter is it doesn't go away. Heretofore, he's spoken about America's energy mix. We are at the mercy of a number of countries who have their interests at stake, not ours. And as a matter of fact, when we talk about that bad cartel, we got to remember that we didn't say anything when there was $10 a barrel oil, and Mexico could not make it economically at $10 a barrel. But we were thriving on cheap oil, like kids with a new toy. The same thing happened for month after month during this recovery period. Venezuela, the same way. They're totally an oil economy. And when it was $10 and $9.50 and $11, we didn't say, wait, maybe we ought to figure out some way so they can make a reasonable, have a reasonable economy. And so now when it goes up, we think we can go negotiate our way out of this.
Normal range that we would expect, and creating what by somewhat conservative, it's when stocks are very low, you may, if you get all...
OPEC is not the whole story,
Right.
Is that we're going to look at what non-OPEC producers do as well. Mexico has already indicated it will go its own way and that it will increase production, what Norway is going to do, what other non-OPEC members are going to do. And that, our analysis of OPEC's decision, non-OPEC producers, and then how the market reacts is going to be what's going to tell us what the real effect of that decision is. And that may take us a little bit of examination.
Well, I guess I would...
What we can do to be helpful, but as Dr. Hake said, people who are... We are very dependent on foreign oil, and we should be less dependent on foreign oil. And that's the direction we want it to go, and it's going up and not down. This has been a problem for a long time for the United States, since the 1970s. We've been looking at measures to try and make ourselves more energy secure and reduce our dependence. A number of those measures have been successful.